To reduce dependence on supply chains starting in Tokyo, Seoul has been stepping up efforts to become more self-sufficient when it comes to high-tech materials. President Moon Jae-in hailed the new job creation deal signed between the government and LG Chem, looked to provide a needed boost in that respect. Yoon Jung-min gets us better acquainted with the so-called Gumi-Type Jobs.
President Moon Jae-in welcomed the new job creation project named after the city of Gumi, where it debuted on Thursday. He describes these Gumi-type jobs as a key solution that will help give South Korea a competitive edge in building its own supply of essential materials.
핵심 소재의 해외 의존도를 줄이는 것이 국가적 과제인 직업, 구미형 일자리 협약은 우리 산업의 경쟁력 제고를 바라는 산업계와 국민들의 기대에 부응하는 계기가 될 것입니다.
The Gumi-type jobs were announced Thursday at a ceremony in their namesake southeastern city, attended by around 500 people from the government, LG Chem, and the local district. President Moon congratulated LG Chem and the other parties to the deal, the Gyeongsangbuk-do province and Gumi city governments, on having formed the first such program since the launch of Gwangju-type jobs in January this year. Through this project, LG Chem plans to build a $420 million factory in the city that can produce an annual 60,000 tons of essential materials used to make secondary batteries. Secondary batteries are used to make electric cars and smartphones. This factory is expected to be up and running by 2024 and should create around 1,000 new jobs. Coming at a crucial time when South Korea is going all out to enhance its industrial competitiveness, President Moon said it's a chance to reaffirm the country's confidence that it can overcome the effects of Japan's trade restrictions.
세계 경제의 불확실성이 커지고 일본 수출 규제 등 우리 경제의 대내외적 조건이 어려운 이때 구미는 상생형 지역 일자리로 경제활력의 새로운 돌파구를 제시했습니다.
Unlike traditional manufacturing jobs, Gumi-type jobs are high quality and center around the high-tech material industry. Secondary batteries are seen as a promising field of high growth, with potential beyond that of semiconductors. The project will help cut South Korea's reliance on overseas suppliers for secondary battery materials, which is expected to boost the country's global competitiveness in future industries. President Moon vowed to further promote Gumi-type jobs in more areas across the country. Yoon Jung-min, Arirang News.